2 ways to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on 2 ways on how you can turn on vanish mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So what is vanish mode? Vanish mode are a disappearing set of messages which, if you allow them, other people will not be able to take a screenshot. Even if they do, you will basically get a notification, and also that the messages are going to get disappeared right after. So if it's something that you want to really discuss in private, vanish mode is what comes into play. So you can just come to the DMs page here, and then you can just head over to any chat here. One way you can turn on vanish mode is by tapping the profile name, tapping the 3 dots option, or you can go to privacy and safety story and then choose to turn on vanish mode, and when you come back you can see vanish mode has been enabled. Now the other way you can do this is, first of all, let me just turn this on. This is the harder way. The easier way you can do this is by simply swiping up to turn on vanish mode. As you can see here, it says swipe up to turn on vanish mode. So if I swipe up like this, vanish mode will get enabled. If I swipe up like this again, vanish mode will get disabled. And this way you will be able to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.